Good morning, children. Today we'll be reading two books. One is Be Responsible, and the other is Kylo Borrows a Book. Being Responsible. Shall we read that book now? Come. I want to be responsible, so I help my parents in doing the housework. I want to be responsible, so I take permission from my parents before going anywhere. I want to be responsible, so I complete my work on time. All my homeworks and all my assignments. I want to be responsible, so I use my pocket money wisely, whatever I save. Even if it is a time I save, I'm going to use it wisely. I want to be responsible, so I sleep early and get up early to be on time. This is the best way to be responsible. Sleep early, wake up early. I want to be responsible, so I admit my mistakes. If I break anything, I say the truth and I say sorry. Being responsible wins me love and affection. Everybody will begin to trust you. In the previous book, we saw about being responsible. Being responsible means being ready to do what you have been asked to do. Being answerable. Whatever is your work, you do it completely and you finish it as expected. Okay? Now we will see about Kylo who borrows a book. Whether Kylo is being responsible. Borrow a book means to take a book from somebody so that you can give it back to them safely. Let's see if Kylo is responsible that he borrows a book and returns it back. One morning at school, Miss Martin read the children a book about animals that live in the ocean. Kylo was very interested because the book showed fish that he had seen at the zoo with Daddy. We've finished ocean, friends. Now it's time to go and play outside, said Miss Martin. Everyone raced outside, but Kylo stayed behind to ask Miss Martin a question. Can I take this book home? I really want to show the fish to my daddy, he said. But the teacher said, I'm sorry, Kylo. I like to keep our library books here so that we don't lose them. Kylo insisted, I'll really be careful with it. So Miss Martin told, all right, you can borrow it if you promise to bring it back tomorrow. Kylo exclaimed, I promise, thank you. Kylo knew that he had to take good care of the book, so he went straight to the courtroom to put it in his backpack. Kylo was just about to put the book in his backpack when Clementine came into the courtroom. Come on, Kylo, let's go play on the swings. We'll have them all to ourselves, she said. Kylo followed Clementine outside. He did not put the book into the bag. He was still holding it. Kylo put the book down carefully and hopped onto the swing. Oh no, he forgot about the book. After school, he went back home, and that day night at home, Kylo talked about the book he had borrowed. He said, Miss Martin never lends daycare books, school books. She must think you're very responsible, Mummy said. Mummy said, Miss Martin never lends daycare books. She must think you're very responsible. Then Kylo asked, What does responsible mean, Mummy? So Mummy said, It means that Miss Martin knows you will take good care of the book that belongs to the class library. Kylo was very proud. Daddy said, I can't wait to see those fishes in the book. After dinner, Kylo hurried to find the book. He searched for it in his backpack. Then he dumped everything out on the floor. The book wasn't there. Kylo was in a panic. He ran to Daddy. I can't find the book in my backpack. So Daddy said, maybe it fell out. Let's look for it together. Daddy and Kylo spent a long time searching all over the house. Kylo said, We've looked everywhere. But Daddy said calmly, I'm sure the book will show up. Kylo sat down on his bed. He felt terrible. I'm supposed to take care of the book back tomorrow, and I promised Miss Martin I would take good care of it. Kylo felt very sad. He didn't want to disappoint his teacher. So Daddy explained, You know, Kylo, being responsible also means fixing your mistakes. So Kylo asked, How can I do that? So Daddy said, Maybe you can think of a way to replace a lost book. Kylo thought for a minute and then he had an idea. Next morning at daycare, Kylo told Miss Martin what had happened. I'm sorry, I lost the library book, Kylo said sadly. We looked everywhere but we couldn't find it, Daddy added. Kylo took a handmade book out of his backpack and gave it to Miss Martin. I made this book to make up for the one I lost. Miss Martin looked at Kylo's book. You've done such a good job, Kylo. Thank you. Come with me. I have something to show you. Miss Martin took a book from the bookcase. Ocean Friends, where was it? Kylo asked. She said, I found it near the swing yesterday. Then Kylo remembered suddenly. I'm really sorry. I thought I put it in my backpack. Kylo hung his head. I guess I won't be allowed to borrow Ocean Friends again. Miss Martin smiled. Yes, you will. After this mistake, I'm sure you'll be very careful with the book. Kylo was so happy that he jumped up and down. Yippee! Thank you, thank you. I will bring it back tomorrow, I promise. And Miss Martin said, and I'll put the new book in our library. So she took Kylo's book and she put it in the library and she exchanged the book with Kylo. The end. So children, do you see being responsible means taking good care of anything that is given to you or entrusted to you. If it goes wrong, it is okay. You will be definitely sad, but it is okay. At the same time, you have to make sure that you fix your mistake. So being responsible means taking care of what is entrusted to you and also fixing the mistake if anything goes wrong from your side. Will you all be responsible? Will you all take good care of things around you given to you? Let's see.